it's your girl came back on another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys have by title, we are going to be doing our unboxing round 2 for this Cadella beauty here. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help your girl grow. I'm gonna link the initial video down below so you guys can check that out. But I got 3 textures which was nice. I got to see all their textures. I know it's raw hair, but I wasn't able to test the hair out because I want to be able to have it be cohesive and flow. So this is the one bundle that I have. It took a really long time for this to get here. Nothing anyone has any control over. If you guys know, there's a lot of shipping delays. Speaking of which, I absolutely love this packaging. It's cute. It makes me feel like I got a present, So let's get into this unboxing. My goal is to make a wig, a long bob. I've been seeing some different styles, so I might not make the same type of wig that I was going to make before, so I guess it came in handy that I had to wait. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention, right? I ordered another frontal. I got plans. I got lots of plans. So why does this feel like this is 2 bundles? It does feel like it's 2 bundles. And they look like they're longer than 12 inches. Oh, this is gonna ruin me. Alright, the hair feels soft. Smells really good. She said she got the right texture. I can almost tell that it's the right texture, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna co-wash it. You guys know I hate to co-wash it because it smells. I'm gonna ask her what she used. This smells really, really good. But yeah, I hate to co-wash it, but this looks like it's about 14 inches. Maybe even 16. Where's my measuring tape? I'll be in here measuring. But yeah, this definitely is not 12. It's not 12. There's just no way it's 12. Yeah. So it's measuring at about 17 inches. I'm gonna reach out to her because it was only supposed to be when I ordered it, because you guys know on my channel here I order here first, and then once I get the order, because obviously it's anonymously, that's the only way you guys are gonna feel like you're getting what I'm getting. I ordered 2 bundles of 12 inches and then a frontal to match, but this is longer than I wanted. I don't want to have to cut it. I don't know. All right. So I guess it's a pleasant surprise. I'm not sure if she didn't realize I didn't send back the extra bundle. I don't need 3 bundles for this length. It'll just be 2 full. This is the frontal, which also looks like it's 16 inches. Now, one thing you guys heard me mention in that initial video, I gave you guys a lot of details about her hair company. She offers frontals, closures, and longer lengths that can be custom ordered. This looks like it's probably about 16 inches. I don't want to say it's going to throw me off because I'm not going to want to cut it. Actually, it's about 18 inches. I'm not going to want to cut it just because, like, oh, the lace is nice. This lace is soft. Really, really soft. Yeah, I'm not going to want to cut it just to get the style. Like, I don't like cutting good hair. That's like my model, which is the reason why I ordered 12, because I'm like, if I get 12, then I can get the style that I'm really going for. But we'll see how it goes, because I was really looking for like that nice chunky bob, so we'll have to figure it out. Now the bonus. I ordered and I paid for it with my own money, and then I realized, I was like, okay, well, let me order this frontal in a longer length, because I'm going to be performing wig surgery. Like, I've damaged a lot of stuff hair wise, and in order to salvage some of my investments, like for example this wig here, I did like the tint and I did it really, really dark because that was the look I was going for then. Now I realize that that doesn't really look natural, so I'm going to butcher I'm going to cut this apart, this frontal, and kind of like, I don't want to say like do like patchwork, but I'm going to call it wig surgery. So that's the reason why I got this. This is also in a longer length. There's a rubber band in front. I'm not certain why there's a rubber band in front. But I got this. It's supposed to be HD lace, which it is. The lace is really soft though. Yeah, so it's HD lace, and this stuff, whatever she's washing this hair with, it smells really, really good. But my goal is to use this as a patch to fix some of the wigs that I've messed up, even use some of like the excess lace, because I've burned lace, I've done a lot of stuff, and I gotta make it right because my wigs, my hair is my investment. So that's the purpose of me getting this. I don't even remember what length I got because it's been so long ago. I'm gonna put the information up here on the screen, but I definitely can tell it's longer than what I purchased. I might have gotten 20 inches. This is measuring at 24 inches. This is long. So if you guys need to know where to get long closures, frontal, get it from her. Like, I like these options. You guys heard me mention from this very popular hair company that told me they could do it, and then when I got it, they couldn't do it. So I like that these options are available. This hair is really soft. I don't know, like, I don't want to say like I'm having second thoughts on this wig surgery, but I don't know if I want to cut this lace apart and use that for wig surgery. Or if I want to cut, like, the hair on this is, it's so nice and silky. You guys, I should have my camera on autofocus so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's so soft. It's so soft. And sidebar, I had someone comment on one of my videos, like, you know, well, how can we ensure that we're going to get what you get? And I get, like, they're new to my channel, so they don't understand how my policy goes. I'm going to put it out there again, just in case anyone doesn't know. Whenever I'm working with a hair company for the very first time, my policy is I purchase the hair from you guys anonymously. Obviously, it's not under my name. Sometimes it's under my parents' name, their address. And then once I receive the order, before opening the order, I request the refund, because we agree to that on the back end before I even open and do my review. And then, you know, obviously you guys will know that you're getting what I got. So obviously I didn't get the influencer bundle because the textures weren't the same, which is not a big deal. I mean, mistakes happen. Yeah. So I am excited about the hair. It is really, really soft. Oh, I'm not gonna want to cut this. I'm not gonna want to cut this. I'm not going to want to cut this. I'm probably going to want to cut a wig. And I'm not going to want to cut this. I know me, I'm not going to want to cut this. I'm going to want to cut another wig that I already have to get the bob that I was going for. And maybe have this replaced. You know what? That's actually a good idea, because I damaged that wig and cutting it would probably help. Yeah, I'm not going to cut this. The hair is too nice. The hair is too nice. There are short strands. Sorry, I get distracted with hair. You guys know how it is on my channel. I'm sorry if I'm drawing this out, but there are short strands, which I don't mind, because I think that helps it to look a little bit more natural. Which is why 2 bundles for a shorter wig for me works. The bundles are full. The wefts are nice. Alright, so I had to turn on the autofocus on my camera. You guys know I've been adjusting the settings, but I really need for you guys to be able to see, like, these wefts, and autofocus for me is really what's gonna do it. But then also you guys can, I always say this and I know I sound crazy, but if you guys could touch this through the screen, you would see exactly what I'm referring to when I say it's soft. So nice and natural in the front. I am obviously going to pluck it. Now the lace is not, I noticed that on the, it doesn't look like it's transparent. It looks like it's like a light brown. This one looks like it's maybe transparent, but that one looks like it has a little, I don't know. Maybe it could just be me. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see. But the HD lace looks like it's a darker, like it's a lighter shade. So it could just be my eyes. Maybe you guys can comment down below. Let me know. But I'm really excited. I'm excited. The hair is really, really soft. So one thing I wanted to mention, when I purchased the frontal, I was indecisive. I'm like, you know, since I'm going to be using this before wig surgery, maybe I should just, you know, get HD lace. So I'd already purchased it. I reached out to her and I was like, well, you know, I think I want to just pay the difference for the HD lace. Let me know how much it is. And she was like, oh, no, you know, I'm not going to take the difference from you. So I really appreciate her doing that for me and not charging me the difference. So it's now the next day. The hair is air dried. The texture, as you guys can see, definitely matches. This is my texture one. Like, I low-key don't know which one I want to use. If I want to use that frontal or the HD frontal. Now, the purpose of me getting the HD frontal was to, like I said, I'm going to be performing wig surgery. Now, this HD lace, I mentioned it to her because I reached out to her that it is the strongest HD lace I've ever encountered. If you guys have used HD lace, sometimes I don't want to say like it can feel like a little frail, and I just figured that that's how, you know, HD lace is supposed to be, but this definitely gives me a different impression. I don't know, it's soft, but it's still like it feels durable, if that makes any sense. And then these are the bundles. Now, it's not fully dry, and then this one, just because of how it was sitting in my laundry room, the ends are a little bit more curled. But you guys can clearly see this is definitely texture one. And I did mention to her, I'm like, you know, you sent me an extra bundle. Do you want me to send the other one back? And she's like, well, she did that because she wanted to make sure all the textures match. So I do appreciate her for that. But yeah, I'm definitely excited for all the things that I plan to do with this hair. I think I'm gonna take this bundle, this was the original bundle that it came with, and add it to another wig to make it full and to kind of like change up the style on it. So I'm really, really excited for all the things that I'm going to be doing with this hair. Definitely, you know, don't mind washing my hands, but definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see what I end up doing with that. And like I said, I'll come back to you guys once I make the wig. Hopefully I can get it made this month. Probably not, like the month is almost over. Probably in February I'm going to get it made right in time for spring. Right. So I'll come back to you guys. I'll give you guys my updates once I make the wig and wear it. But yeah, that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.